Hi everybody, Paul here. Something that you really want to avoid is corrosion on your vehicle's battery terminals. If you've never seen battery corrosion before, it'll be a powdery substance as shown in this picture, which can be white, blue, or green. Corrosion on your battery can cause hard starting, battery failure, and even cause your vehicle to stop running. Most batteries today on vehicles are lead core and filled with sulfuric acid. As the temperature of your battery alternates between hot and cold, gases can escape between the terminals and the battery casing, filler caps, as well as other areas in the battery, which react with other elements causing corrosion. Something that can really help prevent battery corrosion that I've personally used for years are these anti-corrosion washers, which are saturated with a battery corrosion preventative compound. These can be used on the top or side of your battery terminals and will usually last for the life of the battery. Before installing the anti-corrosion washers, be sure to remove any existing corrosion on the battery terminals or battery connection cables and be sure the car's ignition is turned off. The job will go faster if you first remove what corrosion you can with a wire brush. Next, mix some baking soda with water and pour it on the corrosion, which will remove it with a foaming action. You can also use any soft drink that contains carbonic acid, which most of them do. Next, rinse it with clean water and wipe everything down until it's dry. Now do a final cleaning of the battery terminals and battery cables with a wire brush cleaner specifically for batteries. When you open the package, you'll normally have a red washer, a green washer, and some battery terminal grease. Simply place the green washer on the negative battery terminal and place the red washer on the positive battery terminal. Now push the battery cables down firmly and tighten it. Next, apply the grease over the connections and you're done. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.